I found a way to launch Blender on mobile. If you think without a PC you have to forget Blender, don't worry, I'm here. Now we can start using Blender and earn huge amount of money. Alright, let's just cut the BS and jump into it. You don't need to install any harmful app, no Chinese Blender, so just a straight way. If you guys have PC but you have no access, just use no machine. First you have to download and install it on your PC, your server detail is here. Then just install it on your phone and you're done. Great news is you have access to your add-ons, you have your preferences, everything on your PC, even your strong GPU and your favorite theme. But if you don't have PC, don't worry, I got you.
Meanwhile,
I will use my iPad to show you how you can simply do it. Go to the runapps.org, find Blender, then hit enter. You can also use extension if you need. This will take some time to launch, but it's not going to be too much. After 20 seconds, now we got Blender. There are two rules. Double tap to select, hold your finger to right click. To select this type, for example, double tap, then move your finger. And we just selected. Double tap on this box to just select it. Simply you can move, rotate and scale. I'm not going to edit this part, to just simply show you how I edit this model. So we are in the edit mode and we can select top part simply. And also if you go to the preferences, you can simply install your preferred add-ons. Also works here. And if you hit an install button, you will see this space. We will back to it later. Do not forget to save your Blender file, but where we are saving, let me show you. If you go here, we have File Manager. Just click on it, then we got File Manager, and this is our saved Blender file. You can upload, download, and anything. Blender file, project file, add-ons, anything, you can upload and download it and use it simply. Now you see we won't lose our project because we can save it. Let me edit it a bit. I'm going to double tap and select this part. To move it on Z-axis, I'm going to double tap and move it up. There it is. And also you can extrude it easy. Double tap, then extrude. At this place, double tap is everything, remember it. Let me switch to the face mode and also extrude it. Of course, it's harder than usual, but it's better than nothing if you don't have PC or your PC is too weak. And here you can access object details. Let me fit the camera, simply. I'm going to adjust focal length to make my object fit. Now let's just render it. Of course, I'm not going to edit this part to show you how long does it take to just render default cube. Of course, it's not like if you use Eevee before, you will see this took some time to render project, but this is just a simple cube. So let's see. Now we got it. And if you are interested to check cycles render, hit that like button. Just kidding. Let me show you. Sadly, we don't have GPU, we are using CPU right now, but if you need a strong GPU to render your projects, just simply comment GPU. I got you in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Love you all. Bye.